Hi, I'm Rob from Curry's and I wanted to show you how easy it is to make no churn ice cream from home. So I'm going to head there now and show you how it's done. This recipe is for no churn ice cream and uses just 3 ingredients. First up, 600 millilitres of double cream. You'll then need approximately 200 grams of condensed milk. Now I say approximately because if you've got a sweet tooth like me, you might want to add in a little bit more because the more you add in, the sweeter it gets. And then you'll also need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You're also going to need a container that can go in the freezer, a large bowl for mixing, a whisk. Now preferably you'll have an electric whisk, but if not, you're like me, we'll do it the old-fashioned method using a handheld whisk. And then you're also going to need some cling film as well. And once you've got all of the ingredients, pop them in the bowl and mix them together. And that looks like it's done. Now, I've been whisking for a solid 5 minutes. If you've got an electric whisk, it's probably going to take you a lot less, maybe between 2 or 3. But you're looking for that consistency where it's lovely and thick, quite stiff, a little bit like clotted cream. Now, once you've got the mixture, you're going to need to transfer it into your container. We're just going to pour it into here. And there it is. Take a look at that. How nice does that look? I cannot wait to try that later. Right. Once it's in your container, wrap it in cling film and then we're going to whack it in the freezer. So the ice cream's been in the freezer for about 4 hours now. I've got my spoon ready. We're going to get the ice cream out and we're going to give it a taste. Whew. Here it is. Wow, look at that. Here we go. Nice scoop. Oh, brain freeze. That is really nice. Really, really nice. It kind of tastes like proper creamy Cornish ice cream. That is a winner right there. If you want to find out more about our recipes, visit us in store or online at currys.co.uk. So good.